Man, oh man, what the hell is going on in the crypto market right now? You've got Doge that hit 40 cents hitting the moon. You've got flash crashes in crypto across the board. You got altcoins going tanking. You've got altcoins rising up. I don't know what the hell's going on. I don't really follow it that much, but it's causing me to do some rash decisions and do a personal experiment of mine. So hopefully you enjoy this video. All right, guys, so really personal experiment, a little bit of a degen, but today we're going to be putting in $1,000 into the crypto market, into altcoins, put $100 into 10 different ones, and I'm just gonna blindly put them because I don't know anymore. I'm done sitting on the sidelines at the end of the day. What really happened and the backstory of what's causing this is that when Doge hit 40 cents a share, that could have been a lot of money in my pockets. Very recently, not too long ago, I put $5,000 into Dogecoin when it was around 4 to 5 cents. So on January 29th, when Doge hit 5 cents, I purchased $1,250-ish of Dogecoin. Then on the same day, it went down. So of course, when Doge goes down, we double down by the dip. We purchased $2,200 of Doge and bought back in when it went down to 3.3 cents. And of course, when it went down again, that same very volatile day of Doge going down, we tripled down and bought in more, approximately $1,500 worth of Doge when it hit 2.9 cents. So in total, it's around a $5,000 investment into Dogecoin, into an absolute meme stock. And then we became a paper-handing little bitch. And on February 23rd, we sold all of our Doge for a total of $6,500, a profit of $1,500, not bad. But obviously, we could have sold it or held the whole time, and our Doge could have been worth over $80,000, which is just painful to say. So we're gonna take a stand, and we're just gonna bet on the altcoins and just hold them into my Coinbase account that I haven't used before. So let's just hop right into it. We're gonna buy 10 random altcoins I've never heard of, blindly close my eyes and see if there's a way to make money in this space. And we'll track this account over time and maybe make a video about it in a few months. All right, into Coinbase we go. It's a brand new account. Yesterday or 2 days ago, I bought $100 of Bitcoin just to, make sure everything was good to go for this video. So far, we're sitting at $87 in Bitcoin, so we lost. Coinbase took a $3 fee, which is astronomically high, and then it went down 10% after a quick crash, you can see from this chart here. So thank God I didn't buy more than $100 worth, but yeah, our portfolio is down like 10% or whatever it is. But let's take a look at what we got going on here. I don't even know the cryptos and altcoins that they have, but we're going to Tradable, and we're just going all the way down and seeing. I do want to go for like the really small ones, like Scale. I have no idea what Scale is, but it's 50 cents. It's down 10% today. So this like flash crash right now is actually ridiculous. I have no research. I'm not a financial expert. This is not financial advice to start closing your eyes and throwing out darts, but here we are. Let's just buy this Scale for $100 because it looks like it could work out. And then obviously Coinbase takes a $3 fee, but 165.2 of Scale waiting to be purchased. And we're in just like that. All right, 1 out of 10 altcoins committed and purchased. A lot more degenning to go. Let's try to figure out the second one. Stock number 2, we've got a bunch here. We got New Cipher, District OX, and Orchid, and then NKN and Civic. Oh, all of these are really cheap. We're just gonna full send this. So Orchid at 68 cents, $100. Order submitted and trade immediately. Don't hear back. I don't even know. This is how much do we have now? 142 OTX or OXT. I'm not even saying this correctly, but we're funding our Coinbase account. It's gonna be really interesting to see how this ends up, because this one's up 38% just today. That is it flash crashed and then it hit a peak of 40 cents. What's really painful to see is that if you looked at it from like a year ago and we put $100 into this, whatever this district is, it'd be less than a penny per coin. And now it's 41 cents a coin. Wow, that's painful to see. But hopefully, it turns into like $1 or something. But wow, imagine putting in $100. I think, how much is that? You 40 extra money, then it's just 4,000. That's quick math, poker math coming in. Order submitted. We got DNT. DNT to me sounds like don't, but whatever. It's already up a little bit, I think. Who cares? I don't know what's going on. District bought. Next, we got New Cipher. They are down 5% today. Over the week, down 12%. The month, down 12%. The year, up 150%. That's ridiculous. And we're buying new Cypher. NU purchased, I don't even know how many we've bought so far. We actually have to keep track, so we don't just, how many have we bought? So we have Scale, Orchid, OX, 1 inch? Oh, 1 inch just sounds cool. There we go, done. It sounds cool, we're buying it. It's up 200% year to date. And it's at 500 a coin. I almost keep saying 500 a share, or $5 a share. But it's $5 a coin. Coinbase fee of $300. We're just donating money to Coinbase right now. I think we're gonna give like 30 bucks to Coinbase just for free. But I am supporting the business that I am invested in, so I guess that helps. Next, Civic, down 8% today. So it's nice that we're buying on a red day for most of these. Down 18% on the last week. That is just, oh wow, it is up 2,800% over the last year. We don't need to see that number. Let's just hope it goes 2.8. Hopefully it just goes up another 2,800% for the next year. But we just bought 100 of, I forget what we're even buying at this point. This is just really stupid. So I think we have 6 now, Civic. That's what it's called. Civic purchased. NKN, down 9% today. Down 37% in the last week. They really got hit hard. They peaked at $1.50, and last year they're up 3.7K%. Let's purchase this one. I did hear that whenever a new coin gets onto Coinbase, they have an immediate boost and skyrocket in price. So this might be a cool experiment for new coins. I just have to kind of be on the know of when new coins are entered into Coinbase, but there's a strategy that might work out really well. Just like dump in, sprinkle in some money here and there into new tokens and blindly do it. Just might work out. So we're trying to buy the really cheap ones. So this one I saw, oh, ANKR, 16 cents a coin, down 3%, up 100% in a week. Up 11,100% on the year. What? It was a tenth of a penny on May 15th, 2020. 16 cents a coin now. Can this happen again? Can ANKR go to the moon to $1? Can any of these go to $1? That would be so sick. This would be a really cool video in like a year or two, and we look back and like if this account is somehow in like a couple 100,000s or something ridiculous, that would be sick. Probably way too high of a dream. But we just bought ANKR. I don't know how many, but let's make sure that one goes to the moon. Oh, Loop Ring was the one that I thought was also pretty decent at 57 cents. It's down not a lot in the past week. Didn't get hit too hard. And on the year, it's up this much. I don't know, we're just gonna buy it again. I think we're on coin number 7 or 8 now that we've purchased. We definitely have to go and look back and figure it out because we've done a lot of buying so far and a lot of donating to Coinbase for their fees. Bang, purchased that one. And let's take a look at what we have so far in our portfolio. We have, it hasn't automatically transferred yet, huh? Oh, it has. Oh, it's 900. So I think we just need one more. So we have $100 in Scale, $100 in Orchid, $100 in New Cypher, ANKR, NKN, Loop Ring, District, Civic, 1 inch. We have one lucky one to be featured in this video again. So it looks like so far in like the 30 seconds that we've bought it, prices haven't really fluctuated too much. Scale I've made a little bit, and everything else should say, I think our base price is $96.01 or something like that, with the fees of $3.9, so 97.01 cents. So I think I'm down a little bit on most of these, but that's inconsequential. All right, last one, we're just gonna close our eyes and just scroll through. Like, I'm just not even gonna look at the phone. Let's pick on this one. Band Protocol, down 6% today, down 11% on the month, up 13% on the year, and up 3,000% on the year. Yeah, all of these prices are ridiculous. $100 of Band Protocol. Haven't heard of you, but we're doing it for the degen. So last one's gonna be purchased now. Hope you like this video. Maybe you can hypothetically sweat out through this video as well. I mean, I'm gonna do it so you guys don't have to be a degen and fire off random bullets. So there's $1,000 spent. We're gonna take a look and see how this portfolio does over the next few months, over the year or something, and go back to it. Obviously we did buy that $100 of Bitcoin as well, so the portfolio technically is $1,100 invested. And this is gonna be something we'll track. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Let me know what you guys thought about this. Certainly going to be updating this portfolio, or at least giving updates on Instagram, so feel free to give me a follow on Ethan Yao or Rampage Poker. But at the end of the day, hopefully you enjoyed this one. Let me know what you guys thought. We love doing degen stuff like this, and especially in the crypto market, by being not educated at all. But there's the video. Hopefully you enjoyed. Peace.